Hey there, friends. It's Dana from Nellie DC Crochet. I have recently started the Demelza Crochet Along, and here is the centerpiece. I am loving this. This is such a fun pattern, and I just went ahead and ordered the yarn that the lady, I can't think of her name, anyway, who Catherine, somebody who created this pattern. The yarn that she recommends is the Stylecraft Special DK. I have never used it. I've heard a lot of good things about it, but I went ahead and ordered this. It's a very economical yarn, very economical. So the balls are pretty large, the skeins, and the colors are so pretty. This is a DK weight, and actually it's very much, now in my opinion, it's very much like the Hobby Lobby I Love This yarn, except that this is DK weight rather than worsted. So, and I like this size. I like this weight a lot. I think DK is probably my favorite. But anyway, I can't even remember where I ordered it from, but it is a very good economical yarn. I was concerned that it might split a lot because it's not, being inexpensive. I thought, well, maybe the quality's not very good, and it really doesn't split as bad as I thought it would. So I've got my, here is my bag that I have all my yarn in my project. And there's my kitty cat, Raven. So this is the centerpiece. And it's, she has created this pattern after Demelza in Paul Dark, the series, TV series. So, and with the idea that since Demelza loved flowers and wildflowers, she chose the colors that were shown a good bit on the show. And since it's in Ireland, the scenery is just really beautiful. So here it is. Now, I haven't, this is the center. And these are the side panels. By the way, this is a free pattern. If you look up Demelza Crochet Along, you will find it. So these are 4 side panels that will connect to the center. Now, I haven't gone along completely with the recommended colors. If you are getting the exact same colors that the creator uses, you will see that I'm not using all of them in the same order because I like, it's a very colorful project, very colorful pattern, and I wanted a little bit more of a white or a lighter color as a main background to just kind of give more definition to the really pretty colors in it. If all the bright colors are run together, I feel like you can't really see the individual colors. So I'm adding, I'm substituting some of the colors for this kind of a neutral color. So hopefully that'll work. Right now, since I've finished the center and I've finished the side panels, I'm working on these small squares. And let's see, here's a completed one. There's going to be 8 of these and then 8 of a different color scheme of the same size. And then there's several larger squares around. But anyway, this is what I've got so far, and I'm really enjoying this. This is a very fun pattern. So I will check back with you when I am farther along. So it's Dana with Nellie DC Crochet. Bye-bye.